Worried about your transaction history piling up on your Moniepoint POS and potentially compromising your data privacy? Let's get right to it. Unfortunately, Moniepoint POS terminals do not offer a direct function for deleting individual transaction history for security and audit trail purposes. This is a standard security measure across most POS systems to ensure financial accountability and prevent fraud. However, there are a couple of things you can do to manage the displayed transaction records. First, regularly clear the recent transaction screen. While this doesn't delete the transactions permanently from the system's memory, it removes them from immediate view, making it harder for unauthorized individuals to quickly browse through your sales data. Look for the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Navigate to the settings. The specific location may vary slightly depending on your terminal model. Inside settings menu, look for options like clear history, terminal management, or something similar. Note that this action usually requires an admin password for security, so make sure you have that handy. If you do not have the admin password, you cannot complete this step. Another helpful tip is to contact the Moniepoint customer support team directly. They can provide you with the most up-to-date information regarding data management on your specific POS model. Plus, they might offer insights into best practices for maintaining your terminal's security. Finally, always remember physical security. Keeping your Moniepoint POS terminal in a secure location prevents unauthorized access to any stored data, adding another layer of protection to your sensitive financial information. While you cannot directly delete specific transactions, these steps significantly improve your data privacy. That's it for managing transaction history on your Moniepoint POS. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.